Hey guys, today we're doing something a little bit different. We're working on the JZX90 Cresta. This is one that I acquired from one of our customers. Him and I worked a deal out, so I'm building the car so he can use it, but also so I can use it. So we're sharing it, but I'm putting all the work into it. So where we're at right now, the car had a blown up engine. We assembled another engine for this. The head's been decked. We got 1000cc injectors. This is a 2J GTE bottom end. It has the fan thing with the pump and the stuff, whatever that's called, the hydraulic fan. This one has an R154, a twin disc ORC, was it? Yeah, ORC twin disc clutch. It's got the special modified. Just kidding. It's got some motor mounts. I don't know. It's a really cool car. Cool engine. This car, I've driven it a few times when Rob let me drive it, and it is super fun. It's a great car. I love it. I'm super excited to be behind the wheel of it. And this is the car that we will be taking on Drift Week 3. So we've got a lot of work to do to it. But first and foremost, we got to get the engine back in it, get everything hooked up, and get it started. Tonight is engine night. One thing we haven't done, the car's been sitting for months and months and months. We never washed the engine bay. So we're gonna pull it out, spray it down. For some reason it decided to start snowing outside today. But we're gonna go wash it in the snow, pull it back in, and then stab the engine in it tonight and go from there. This actually has a little bit of frame damage, and it was nothing that happened in the States. This actually happened before the car came back, before the car was imported. I think they tried to disguise it a little bit, but having the engine out, it's very apparent that the frame is bent right there. If you look at the other side, there's no kink, or at least not as much of a kink. It looks like a factory. Actually, that one is kinked a little bit. Looks like the car probably got hit right here and pushed over a little bit, but it's definitely worse on this side. So we're gonna try and get the frame straightened, but we're gonna put the engine in first. I don't know why. That's just how it's gonna go. All right, so we got the engine installed in the engine bay. The car's not much to look at right now. Even the process, I didn't film it. It wasn't that exciting, but be that as it may, the engine is in place. I'm not gonna do too much as far as bolting stuff on because, plot twist, this car is going to Alabama with me. I'm literally gonna tow it to Alabama on my 3-car trailer, work on it in Alabama with my buddies, and then tow it back to Utah to take it on Drift Week. And you might think, why would you go to Alabama to work on your car? Well, I have to go to Alabama for other reasons. This car needs to be done before Drift Week, and I don't have another way to get the car done unless I take it with me, because in Alabama I'm not going to be busy all day every day. So I'm going to have time and access to my friend's shop to work on it. So I will be doing that on my quote-unquote business/vacation with my family. So I'm going to document more when we get to Alabama. But for now, this is the point we're at. We got the engine in place, we got the car. We're gonna load the whole car with all the parts to finish the build. I'm gonna take the paint that we're gonna change the color of the car. I'm gonna take the paint with me and all the supplies I need for that stuff, and I'm gonna do updates when we're not in snowy Utah, but we'll be in sunny Alabama. It's gonna be great. It decided to snow on us last minute here. Yesterday was like a nice day, and then today we got snow on all the cars outside. It like rolled in, and within like 15 minutes there was 2 or 3 inches of snow, and then it stopped snowing, and I'm like, get me out of here, I want to go to Alabama.
You know it was fine until you came back from California.
Don't blame me for this.
The whole time you were gone,
don't blame me for this. This is not my fault. Okay, thanks for watching guys, out.